So let's see how to increase your Windows laptop speed using the Microsoft PC Manager. So for this, you have to download this application. I will provide this link in the description, and once you are in the link, you can click and download this installer. And one important thing you have to note is like if your region is not United States, it may not allow you to download. You might get an error saying like this application might be not available in your location. So simply go to your computer and temporarily change your device location to United States here, and you can see like the installer will start working. So once it is installed, it will appear here. So you can choose either automatically start, and also if you want to improve the speed, you can use this boost option so that you can free up some of your resources. And also you have options like doing deep cleanup. This will help you to clean up your temporary files, browser caches, and all the unnecessary files. It can scan and it can give you a complete list where you can actually clear some of the space. This will improve your device performance. And also we have an option like smart boost. So if if you turn off, if so when your PC have very high utilization, then it will automatically execute the cleanup for you. Um, and also it has other native antivirus application which is integrated, so you can also run a device scan here, and also there are a lot more options here like network speed test, taskbar. So it's a very useful app, and this application is provided by the Microsoft. You can use it without any worries. So you can install this. I will provide the details over the link and other details over the description, so you can just go and you can have a look. And this will really help to improve the speed of your devices. So all just give a try. Thank you.